These are released videos and audios which contain domestic violence. If you get triggered, do not watch.
So why?
You literally talked to her without telling me!
Courtney, I was on a bike ride and she passed me and I said hi. Casey, I'm sorry, okay? Just let me apologize.
Then Obumseli, who was 27, was starved to death by his girlfriend Courtney Clenney. She told police that she stabbed him in the shoulder in self-defense at their home. Her lawyer now says that there is substantial evidence that proves that Courtney was a victim of domestic abuse and possibly human trafficking. Now, these audio recordings have made their way to court as evidence.
I need to go home. I need to go home. I need to talk to him. I need my phone.
Cece,
Don't touch me!
what is going on? Like, what are you gonna get this mad at me when I'm apologizing to you?
No, Christian.
Like, you're thinking I'm doing it on
Drop your high pitch.
Okay, I'm not doing it on purpose.
You touched the aura. You know well the right thing to do is to tell me.
Yes, and I am so sorry.
So shut up and let me slap you.
You're not gonna slap me on.
Give me my phone.
You have your phone.
I don't have it anymore.
What do you
Find
mean?
it and charge it.
Like,
Find it and charge it.
I'm sorry, Courtney.
I don't care. Find it and charge
Okay,
it.
just stop.
Don't.
It's extremely obvious that the relationship was very volatile, but you can see the way that she's screaming. One thing you have to remember is that he's the one who is recording without her knowledge. It just means that he might be on his best behavior while she is ranting, but it kind of like shows you what was happening behind closed doors and the way she was not in control of her emotions at all.
Man.
Yeah, man. Oh, man.
Because I'm telling you, I'm sorry.
It's like hard. Find my phone and charge it.
I don't know where your phone is.
Find it.
Okay, you help me find it?
I won't.
So why?
Find it.
Why are you screaming, man? Not man, but why?
Yeah, man. That
Not
man.
man.
That man. Little yeah, man. Yeah,
What? Like,
yeah, because I'm a little man. Huh? Shut the
Clear that she's undermining him, and that this is a lot of gaslighting and this is a lot of provocation on her part. Now, her defense lawyer says that that night was so different and Courtney had the right to defend herself out of fear for her life. Courtney cooperated with investigators and her actions were clearly self-defense. When you listen to these recordings, do you think that it was self-defense?
I need to find it because I have to go meet her again.
So to go out?
No!
You said she advised you.
Christian, just find my
I
phone.
don't have your phone. Can you
Just find my fucking phone.
Cece, can you just please?
Shut up!
Cece, please.
Shut up! You went to go talk to her without talking.
I didn't go to go.
Yes, you did. You always want to.
I was
He
on.
literally told me about it. Now he's like,
What are you
"You're
talking?
a son.
I didn't go to talk to
You are
Aura.
not gonna-
I was going on a bike ride. Like, what the?
Get off of me!"
Going to talk to Aura? Is this gonna make you act like this? The
You literally talked to her without telling me.
Courtney, I was on a bike ride and she passed me and I said hi. You and Courtney are having a live chat. My bad, I forgot to tell you that. That doesn't make you to act and call me a.
You're.
Yes, thank you. Coming from Courtney, thank you.
I want you to get away from me.
The audio recordings, Obumseli also had some text messages on his iCloud account in which he accused Courtney of attacking him on multiple occasions. He says that on one occasion, he was stabbed in the leg by Courtney so badly that he could barely walk. He says that a day later, he was hit in the head hard enough that he believed that he suffered a concussion. He also says that he suffered 2 nasty cuts to the cheek and chin, and that he documented these wounds in photos, and that these wounds were severe enough that he went to the hospital for stitches. These text messages are evidence before the court, and also there is evidence before the court that he had sent a message to Courtney just weeks before he died, in which he said, "Is love going to kill me? February was the worst month I had so far. I got cheated on. I got called that word again. I got slapped in my stitches that has reopened multiple times and is not healing fast enough." Courtney is charged with second-degree murder in the killing of Obumseli. Courtney says that this is self-defense, but we can see these videos. I mean, there is an actual video with his cell phone in his pocket, and you can hear the audio where he is repeatedly apologizing to Courtney. She's very enraged, and she basically is upset because he said hello to some female somewhere while on a bicycle ride. She calls him the N-word many times, and then she tells him to man up and tells him to shut up and let me slap you, dumb this, dumb that. Courtney had millions of followers on Instagram and OnlyFans. She was quite popular, and it's very clear that she made a lot of money. If you do not know, a lot of Instagrammers and YouTubers make a lot of money. And so she must have been the one who had the money, because in one of the videos you can hear her basically talking about him not paying for A, B, C. So she's basically saying that he wasn't contributing, or he wasn't making payments for maybe the rent and all of that. I don't know if that got into her head. It's very clear that she was on some kind of substance, but a man has died here, which is very, very sad. Concerning the recordings, the lead lawyer Frank Prezzo, I think that's how you pronounce his name, declined to comment on the recordings because he said that he hadn't listened to them. He might as well go and listen to them because this is quite damning for his case. But it just really depends how the court wants to deal with the recordings, because as I said, sometimes people will gaslight you and then they will record you. We do have some judges in England who just do not want to deal with recordings at all, and then you have other judges that are happy to deal with recordings. The reason is because if recordings have not been forensically examined, it's possible that just one person who is being gaslighted is talking, and then the other part has cut out some things that he said to gaslight this person.
When it is 5 a.m., yeah,
Decide whether or not you're done gaslighting me. Decide whether or not you're done gaslighting.
I am mad that you told me to come.
Decide right now.
Courtney, that's a threat. I asked you so many times that I don't know, and I apologize, but you hit me.
Shut the up. Don't.
I have put another clip for you to listen to. You would notice that the police got involved in their fights in the house, but they also fought on the road, and you will hear a third party in this video.
Don't.
Just get in the car. Just please. I'm sorry for calling you stupid. You will never hear me doing that. It was not right for me to do that. Please, baby, don't kill yourself.
You will never protect me.
I will.
Somebody was being horrible to me.
Okay, just
You
tell me.
defended them.
Okay, just tell me in the car.
I saw you banging your head. That's not
Yes.
good. I don't want you to hurt yourself.
Do you know what that is like? Oh, it means that I want to kill myself.
You don't need to feel like that. You don't need to feel like
No,
that.
no, I tell him this.
So breathe in.
He literally makes fun of me when I am crying. Sorry, I'm not yelling.
No, I get it. I get it. I get it. Look, I have a wife, I'm married, I have kids, I have a life. You know, I didn't need to stop and pull over, but I see you guys need help. You guys don't need to be going through this right now, bro. All right? Truly sorry. No, it's all right, bro.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. Look.
This guy was really yelling into our car. He was yelling at me, making fun of me from my car. So he said, come swing on me, come swing on me. So I opened the door and I got out and hit him. And then he said, go apologize to that man. You know, he was hanging in my car.
We all make mistakes.
No, it's like, what would you do if you were me?
I know.
I feel like I don't have anywhere to go but my head.
Okay, where do you live?
I don't want to go block away.
You want us to order you an Uber and just go home and you guys can talk about this later, because I don't think this is gonna end up anywhere good for you or for her.
The dogs are. Let's just go drive around.
No, you like you.
I promise you, I won't
Every
do
time I
anything.
ask you for help,
Are you guys in a relationship?
Yes.
Yeah.
not anymore. He just said he broke up with me. So the fact that he's bending down, this is how he makes friends with everybody.
No, it's not about that.
Yes, it is.
I'm not. Look,
Shut up.
Listen to
He
me.
literally just you you. Got in my car.
When you're upset, look,
Oh my
get on my
God, sorry, I look again.
Relax. This is breathe. Okay, breathe. Relax. You know, when you get upset.
This. I can't.
Cece, just stop. Please.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm sorry.
See, I'm so sorry.
You.
Okay.
You're not sorry.
I swear to God, I'm sorry. Just look at me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I should never told you to apologize, and that's my fault.
No.
That never make you that way. Okay. Fine. I'm gonna need a apology. Okay. It's my fault. And
Where's my?
it's in the car. I'll come back to you. Okay.
No, I'll go get it, and then you killing me. You just told a lowlife. You just told me to apologize to a lowlife. You're supposed to protect me.
Yes, and I know. I'm sorry.
I can't find your phone. I can't find it.
Yeah, well, find it. Find it. Find it.
Okay, I am.
Find it.
Okay, I am. Courtney, what do you think I'm doing right now? Okay? Okay. All right. Cece, I'm sorry, okay? Just let me apologize. No! Okay, you don't need to...
Go find my phone. Go find my phone.
Cece, come on.
Go find my phone.
God, you're fucking crazy, bro. Do you remember the last place you had it, Cece? Do you remember the last place you had it?
Nope. Find it.
Okay.
Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I really want to know what you're thinking. I want to know if you like this kind of videos. I like them anyway, and we'll talk in the next one. But be safe if you are in such a relationship that is so volatile. Please seek help. I really wish that he left. He didn't, and he's now died. Take care of yourself. Take care of all this. Bye for now.
Can you help me find it?
I won!
So what?
Find it! You literally talked to her without telling me!
Courtney, I was on a bike ride and she passed me and I said hi.
Cece, I'm sorry, okay? Just let me apologize.
No!